Hello everybody, this is Terry B, and today I've got a little mini lock. This is a tri-circle. It's got 103 made in China written on there. I've given it a little bit of a polish because it was a bit of a nasty lock when I got it. It's quite dirty. Yeah, interesting, bit different. Side keyway, and that is the button on the key for that. You can see that. Some quite decent button actually for a little lock like this. Key retaining, key won't move until the shutter's closed. So yeah, let's get this one in the vise. I'm gonna have to make some adjustments for this one because it's a little bit awkward. I'm gonna have to put the shuttle down, and hopefully you can see that okay. Sorry about that noise, I'm just moving my chair, get myself comfortable. Yeah, I think that's all in shot. So let's have a pick. So you can get this little tri-circle open on camera. Did open it earlier in hand. Not the most comfortable lock to hold because of the way the shuttle is. So let's see what I'm doing with it in the vise. Wasn't the easiest pick as well. When you think tri-circle, mini lock, small lock, I think what springs to mind is easy, low tolerance. This is a little bit awkward actually, but as it happened, it wasn't the easiest lock to pick. It does have some decent bit on that key, small key, and everything seems to be, all the pins seem to be in play. Now with these, some of these you can just go in and touch one pin and the whole thing opens up. But yeah, I was quite impressed with this one. Hopefully it's not camera cursed. And get that open on camera. Drop the pins there. This is interesting. Let's get to a 4-minute video. I thought this would be it. There we go. Didn't hear that shackle pop because it's just clicked into the vise there. Why can't I get that out? Just pop that there and sort the vise out. There we go. Oh, I've just dropped something down the back of my desk there. So yeah, that's that one open. You can see the keyway is just off there, so it should just pop back into place there. So yeah, nice little unusual tri-circle. Bit tougher than I expected. Quite an enjoyable pick actually. It's for what it is. Nice little lock. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.